Up for sale, I have a 1969 RS Z28, true RS Z28, finished in its correct fathom green with black interior. Gonna walk around and tell you more about the car, show you some of the flaws, fire it up, and then drive it. If you like the video, leave a like, and subscribe if you want to see more. So like I said, true RS Z28, it's an X33 trim tag. The car has been verified by Jerry MacNeish and is in his database. It is a nut and bolt restoration with less than 200 miles on it. Like I said, it's correct fathom green with the black standard interior, which are its original colors. Rally wheels. RS headlights. The chrome bumpers are excellent. The body is straight. It shows 55,000 actual miles on the title. Date code correct, real DZ302. M21 4-speed. There's a little mark right there, a little chip on the door. It is a high quality nut and bolt restoration. Glass is excellent. All of the chrome is excellent. The interior is brand new. $8,000 tack. Beautiful console. Excellent dash, excellent painted dash. Door panels, seats, carpet, rear bench seat, headliner, everything on the car is brand new. It was sold new at, I got the dealer written down here on my note sheet, St. John's Chevrolet in Winchester, Indiana. It basically only has test miles on it with the less than 200 miles. I have a bunch of date codes and specific coding for the car that I will have on the ad, go a little more in depth than just in the video. This is more just to get an idea of the car as a whole, the quality of the nut and bolt restoration. The trunk is excellent. I don't have the key on me. I would open it. It has chambered dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear. It's a 3.73 posi. But the Phantom Green is high quality and excellent. Beautiful car. Like I said, I'm not going to go into too much detail. The car speaks for itself. But like I said, it is a true RS Z28. It is verified by Jerry MacNeish, and it is in his registry. There are 3 little mini chips right there. I don't know what happened. It isn't. Yeah, it's a. I had another Z28 a while ago, and having a car of this quality as a whole is out of this world. I'll handle this here. Chamber dual exhaust sounds incredible. So like I said, true RS Z28, 1969. Date code correct, 302 DZ block. Finished in correct Fathom green with black standard interior. M21 4-speed. 3.73 posi rear. It's an original cowl hood car. Sold new at St. John's Chevrolet in Winchester, Indiana. So now's about that time. We're gonna fire it up. A little mini stone chip right there. Like I said, everything on the car is brand new. I'm gonna pop the hood in a second. We'll fire it up and then we'll drive it around the block. So if you like the video, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. And thank you. Like I said, here's the motor, the 302 GZ block. Power brakes with front disc, power steering. You can see how beautiful the frame is on this car. How clean the restoration is and fresh. And we'll fire it up now so you can hear it and listen to it run.